I want to just show you something about the rocker shafts. As you can see, it's the solid rocker shaft kit. No longer has the wavy washers and spacers and everything. Reason for this with this cam is it quietens down the valve train a lot. Should you ever remove the shaft, if you bolt it back together without checking things, you might actually end up seizing the valve train. What I've got here are two shims, 0.1 mil, don't know if that's coming into focus, 0.1 and 0.2 millimeter. When you reinstall it, on one side or the other of each rocker, you need to have 0.1 millimeters clearance. The center rockers, being that this whole piece is movable, you need 0.2 millimeters somewhere or multiple points of 0.1. So for example, I've put this back together now. We do not have 0.1 on this side, but on this side of the rocker we've got 0.1. That's not a problem. There's nothing. There's quite a bit of free play. Again, this piece moves, so it doesn't really count. Nothing there. Nothing there. But I've got 0.1 here. The middle piece, being that it's two rockers, you need to find 0.2 mil. And in that case, I've got it here. So neither of these will bind up because you've got the 0.1 for each of them, hence the 0.2. Hope it makes sense. Let me know if you got any questions.